See a charge you don't recognize or a purchase you never received? Disputing it with Bank of America promptly can get your money back. Welcome back to Guide with Samuel. Log into your online banking or the mobile app. Find the transaction in question on your credit card account and click on it. Look for an option that says, Dispute this transaction or Report a problem. You'll select a reason and provide any details you have. It's helpful to have receipts or correspondence with the merchant. Bank of America will issue a provisional credit while they investigate, which can take up to 90 days. My crucial pro tip? Try to resolve it with the merchant first. For issues like undelivered goods or double billing, Bank of America will ask if you contacted the seller. Having a record of an email or call attempting to resolve it can strengthen your dispute case. For clear fraud, dispute immediately. Protect your money and correct errors with this essential consumer right. How has your experience been with resolving credit card disputes? For more essential consumer finance guides, hit subscribe. Thanks for watching. I'm Samuel, and I'll see you next time.